Myself Nishant Advani
And
from ISK Bearing Industries.
and sir, may I know your name?
Hitesh Patel from ISK Bearing.
This evening would be a very great one and a great opportunities for all the businessmen and a great platform.
We now move into the category of automobile products, innovative products, and the award in this category goes to ISK Bearing Industries. And to receive this award, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Vinod Sakaria and Mr. Haresh Advani. Tell you a little about this company, ladies and gentlemen. They are India's first manufacturers of wheel hub bearing unit for new generation cars. Also the inventor of fuel and grease saver, third generation wheel hub bearing unit. And they are the winner of India SME Excellence Awards 2013.
ISK Bearing got an award for innovative products. Something new they have innovated, which we come across during the audit of these organizations. I request Mr. Nishant Halwani to say something about what they have really innovated and how that will beneficial to the society and nation.
What invention we have done so far for three-wheeler bearing segment is concerned, so I want to say a few words for this. The auto rickshaw drivers are facing lot of inconveniences with 25 to 30-year-old bearing technology, which is demanding frequent grease filling and change of several spares that requires the auto rickshaw get rested at the garage. Hence, they have to bear a huge loss of fair income along with the cost of grease, spares and labor charges as well. To get them ease from this headache, by using our expertise behind the research and development activities, we have invented such a bearing that gives imperishable advantages like saving of fuel and grease and pollution control. The major advantage of our bearing is significant mileage increase of about 11 kilometers, which is also confirmed and certified by ARAI, the Automotive Research Institution of India. More mileage means more income to the auto rickshaw drivers, which helps them to improvise their socio-economical living standards. Furthermore, the re-greasing is not required with our innovative bearing, which offers huge savings on time and money. And also by saving on petrol and grease, the nation can save the foreign exchange tremendously. We are greatly thankful to the organizers and motivators of the Quality Mark Trust Awards who have chosen us for this prestigious award. This great honor will definitely lead to convert our efforts into the opportunities to make a grand presence of our innovative bearings into the market. Thank you.
Basically, this bearing save fuel as well as money, and definitely, generally these third generation bearings we use in a higher model cars like Skoda, BMW and Audi, which they have invented specific for the three-wheeler, that is the auto rickshaw third generation bearing, which can save fuel and save money. Thank you very much for coming here.
Quality Mark Awards absolutely good job, and इसीलिए दिया गया है, हमको चुना हुआ है कि हमने जो एक ऑटोमेटिव इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बेरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़ में इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट बनाई है। बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, ये जो हमारा बेरिंग हमने इनोवेटेड किया है उससे थ्री व्हीलर में हमारा बेरिंग यूज़ करने से 11 किलोमीटर की एवरेज बढ़ जाती है।
That's very great sir. So you really deserve this award and thank you so much for coming. Thank you.